Virginia Giuffre told Jeffrey Epstein's victim partner that she had sex with Prince Andrew when she was a teenager, according to a witness in Ghislaine Maxwell's trial. Ms Giuffre, then Ms Roberts, 17, showed the victim a notorious photograph of Andrew posing with sex victim Maxwell at his home. Carolyn Andriano, 35, who testified against Maxwell, has now given up her right to anonymity to share her full information about the alleged Virginia contest, which Prince Andrew vehemently denies. She says Ms Roberts texted her from London in March 2001 that she was going to dinner with Andrew, Maxwell, and Epstein. Ms Roberts is accused of showing a picture of herself with Andrew back to Florida to Miss Andrew, saying of the prince, "I slept with him." Mrs. Andrea told the Daily Mail, "I asked her if she had been to the palace. And he said, 'I want to sleep with her.' I said, 'What? You're with me?' And he said, 'No, I want to sleep with him.'" She added, Virginia said they ate dinner and had sex. "He didn't say anything about what they ate or where they were. That's not what we were talking about. It simply came to our notice then." She could not believe that she had slept with Prince Andrew. The bombshell account is the first time that an independent report of Ms Roberts' alleged meeting with Andrew has surfaced. This comes as Mrs. Andriano testified against Maxwell in her sex trafficking case last month. 4 of the 5 convictions were based on evidence from the mother of 5, including the most serious charge of sex trafficking to a minor, which carries a maximum sentence of 40 years in prison. Mrs. Andriano says she was the victim of Epstein and Maxwell, aged between 14 and 17, who were recruited by Virginia Giuffre through their abuse pyramid scheme, which saw young girls recruit other young girls. Made to. Last month, Maxwell was found guilty of sex trafficking and preparing girls for abuse with pedophile Epstein. The decision comes amid a legal battle between Prince Andrew's wife, Geffrey, who is suing the prince for allegedly sexually abusing her when she was a teenager, which she vehemently denies. The prince is said to be making a last-ditch effort to end a civil rape case against him, amid claims that his accuser would reject an out-of-court settlement offer. Ms Giuffre is said to be seeking to prosecute for sending a message that those accused of abusing young girls with power and privilege will face justice. A decision on whether the Duke of York will face a full civil trial is expected soon. A New York judge has already ruled that there is no case to respond to Andrew's legal team's argument that Ms Giuffre could not be tried because of her residency in Australia. But a source told the Daily Mirror that he was not lying. Andrew's lawyers claim that Ms Giuffre had a secret deal with Epstein, who died in prison awaiting sex trafficking charges, exempting Andrew from legal action. But many legal experts believe Judge Lewis Kaplan's pending motion is unlikely to be accepted. That means Andrew's lawyers will have to decide whether to take the case to court or take the risk. Please subscribe my channel and post comments.